Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to create a summer makeup look that lasts all day. The first thing I'm going to be doing is putting a few drops of this primer. This one here is by Mecca Cosmetica and it's the Illuminating Primer. I'm also going to be mixing it in with my SPF 50 Plus Naked Saturdays sunscreen. So just get a dollop of the sunscreen and a pump of the luminizer and smooth that all over the face. Just bear in mind that I will be editing this video because this sunscreen will take a good minute for it to be worked into the skin until it disappears. Making sure to take it down the neck. Next, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. And with a foundation brush, work that foundation into the skin. The brush that I'm using today is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Deluxe brush. I've been using old brushes lately. They're all clean and well looked after and maintained, but I've just been pulling out the old makeup brushes and using them. What I love about this foundation is it's very light, very long lasting, sweat proof. It's got SPF 10 and the shade match for me is spot on. I actually got shade tested in store and shade Tawny, which is 3W1, is my perfect shade. And just take the remainder down the sides of the neck under the jawline. Next we're going in with concealer. I'm just using the NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum and I'm taking like the tiniest amount. It's like a little really small amount. Rubbing my fingers together and just placing that directly under the eyes where there's darkness. Now if you feel like you need to color correct, go in with your choice of a peach color corrector, red color corrector, yellow, purple, blue, green, whatever you think is best for disguising your dark circles. I find that if I was to use a color corrector for myself, a peach toned one works best. Now with the other side of the brush, I'm just gonna work that concealer in. Making sure to go up into the inner corners of the eye there. Next we're going to be doing the cheeks and I'm using the Off-Duty Blush Stick by Mecca. This is in the limited edition shade Summer Sunset. And I'm just putting that on the apples of the cheek. And with a clean brush, I'm just patting that blush cream stick into the cheeks. Take a little bit of that shade over the nose. Next I'm going in with the powder. This is a setting powder and it's the Cloud Set Setting Powder by Kosas. And using a stiffling brush, I'm just going to lightly powder the face, including under the eyes. And I've got a hair on my brush, there we go, including down the neck. Now for a little bit of glam, I am going to be putting on a shimmery shade over the lid. And this one here is a really beautiful shade by Glamonetrix and it's called Lion. Now, with this, I don't prime the eyes because it's very pigmented and it's got a little bit of stick to it naturally. If you feel that you need to go in with an eye primer, definitely go in with an eye primer. And look at this beautiful shade. Taking it all the way up to the eyebrow bone. This is the most perfect warm toned gold eyeshadow that I have in my kit. It's absolutely beautiful. Next I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Caviar Extravagant Mascara, and I'm going to be applying that on the top and lower lashes. Next I'm going in with the Essence Make Me Brow, and I'm working that through gently through the eyebrows. Next I'm going in with lipstick. This is the Essence the Slim Stick 6 Hour Matte Lipstick in Make Me Blush. Now I am going to be applying some bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers that I've been really loving lately, and it's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Diffused Bronze Light. Bit over the forehead, over the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the chin, under the jawline. Just using a small pencil brush, I'm dipping into that bronzer. I'm just going to line underneath the lower lash line. And the final step to completing the look is finishing it off with a really good setting spray. My favorite one here is by Urban Decay and it's the All Nighter setting spray. And that, my dear friends, completes the look for how to create long-lasting makeup that lasts all day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help the YouTube algorithm. And if you would like to share this video with someone who might get some use of it, please do so. For those of you who have recently joined my channel, welcome. And to all my current subscribers out there, thank you so much for watching. You really mean the world to me. Have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.